Attorney Nate Amendola, criminal law in plain English. The question is spitting on somebody assault? No. Spitting on somebody is not an assault. But what it is a battery. Assault and battery is an offense in Massachusetts. There is a crime called assault and battery. There's also a crime in Massachusetts called assault. Assault is not the physical touching. That is a battery. A battery is an unpermitted physical touching, no matter how slight. So, if somebody spits, an intentional, I should say, an intentional, although there is a reckless battery, but let's keep this simple. If there's an intentional, unpermitted touching upon another person, for example, spitting on them, throwing a pencil at them, throwing a tissue on them, throwing a set of keys on them, punching them, slapping them, hugging them, flicking their ears, whatever it is, that's a battery, an unpermitted touching. An assault is something different. An assault is essentially when you put somebody in fear of an imminent battery. So, for example, if I held this pen up to you and I said, I'm going to throw it to you, or I went like this, it kind of looked like I was going to throw it to you or at you, that's an assault. So, assault people think is the touching. That's the battery. Okay. Usually you see an assault and battery in the same crime because somebody, before somebody punches somebody, they're going to see it coming. I mean, I think technically maybe if somebody was punching the back of the head and they didn't know it was coming, that would just be a battery, but it's kind of splitting hairs. But you can have an assault without a battery, right? You can have a situation where people are exchanging words and somebody, cocks their fist or something and says, I'm going to knock you out or whatever it is. And they don't do it, right? Or it's an attempted battery and they miss, right? They try to punch you and they totally miss. That's the assault. So is spitting on somebody an assault in Massachusetts? No, it's a battery or an assault and battery. That's how that works.